Don't they sound so much like the Beatles? Well, these twins from Brooklyn busk in the subway, and their performances have strap hangers just going nuts. Eyewitness News reporter Kimberly Richardson met up with the brothers and has this story.
They're expecting us to play Bob Marley or Stevie Wonder.
Anything but the Beatles.
Oh, I need your love, babe. Yes, you know it's true. They'll turn the corner, and then they're like, just blown, shocked.
The sky's the limit for Amari and Raheem Taylor, identical twins born and raised in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn. Early last month, a blogger posted a video of them playing in the subway. Last check, it had 18 million views.
Now it's like people actually kind of know us a little bit. Like people will just say hey on the street, and it's cool. Yeah. I know life isn't fair.
The 23-year-olds have no formal training, write and produce their own music, and are one half of the band Blac Rabbit, a psychedelic rock band. Growing up, their home was filled with music, but it was Christmas. They were teenagers when the Beatles, coincidentally, came into their lives.
Our grandmother bought the Beatles rock band video game. And that's kind of how it happened, basically. It was a video game.
They tell me they fell in love with the group's universal sound.
She's got the tickets to ride, and she don't care.
As to how they ended up here, well, 3 years ago, they wanted to visit their mom in Puerto Rico, but didn't have the money. They set up shop here in the subway, and after just 3 days, had enough cash for 2 round-trip plane tickets and spending money.
Hold me, love me.
The power of music, a rare gift these brothers possess. Kimberly Richardson, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.